Hey, I'm Ben Piercema from bensbackwoods.com. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to take a quick look at these Paderno carbon steel bake pans, kind of slash skillet. This is kind of a very lightweight alternative to a skillet, so stay tuned. Okay, so here we have the pans. I sell these in three sizes currently. We have a 6 5/8 diameter. This is the top opening here on the smaller one. We have a 9-inch diameter, and we have the larger 10.5-inch diameter. As far as weight goes, this smaller one is a 6-ounce pan. This next size one is a 10.5-ounce pan, and the largest is a 13.5-ounce pan. So if you combine these together with a small pot gripper, you can grip the sides of these. These are basically black steel, carbon steel bake pans. They use these a lot for deep dish pizzas and that type of thing in the cooking industry. So with that pot gripper, you can see that it makes a nice little handle for that. That's quick and easy. You can use it as a small skillet. You can use this as a bake pan. So these pot grippers, you can grab the side of this pan. It's a pretty nice fit on these things. This is super handy for moving these pans around, using them as a skillet. I also use these as a bake pan and a reflector oven. Let's talk seasoning though. To season these come from the factory with some type of oil on them to keep them from rusting. This black steel or carbon steel will rust. You season this just like you would cast iron. So the way I do it is I take them from new, and I use hot water and Dawn dish soap, scrub them. That will remove the oil from the factory on them. If you have to, I feel like I fill these with water, maybe boil some water in them for a little while, and that helps kind of loosen up that oil and help you get that clean. After that, I wipe them down with whatever kind of cooking oil that I like to use. I use a lot of coconut oil. I put oil on it. I heat it up, throw some oil on it, rub the oil around, maybe throw them in the oven for a little while. You could do it on a burner. You could do it in the oven. Basically, once you have the seasoning going, then to clean them, I just use hot water and a stiff brush to kind of wipe them out, and then maybe a light coat of re-seasoning. So they season just like cast iron. One of the advantages of using these as a skillet, they're not super thick steel, they're a lightweight bake pan, is that these transfer heat very fast. So for frying and searing, scrambling things, this works really well. I would avoid keeping this on a burner or direct heat without anything in the pan, just because you don't want to warp these pans, because they are on the thin side. They're not super heavy duty. With that said though, they are very strong, and I have not warped one yet. As long as you have some type of food in the pan that you're cooking, I don't think you're going to have an issue with warping them. So yeah, so season them just like cast iron. Size wise, we have this 6 5/8. This is the smaller size that I sell. One of the nice features of the 6 5/8 pan is that it will fit inside our 16 centimeter zebra pot. This will actually slide right inside and nest right inside of there if you want to use this as a part of your cook kit, and that way you have a little carbon steel skillet inside your 16 centimeter pot. Size wise, on this 9-inch pan, I also sell these Savante Frieden reflector ovens. This is kind of a handy tool. You just prop this up in front of your fire and you can bake in here. I use these bake pans inside this oven, set it right in there just like that, and prop it up in front of your fire. I have baked cinnamon rolls, we've baked potatoes in these things, we've done breads, we've done muffins, cornbread mix, that type of thing. This is a super handy way of cooking out in the woods. That's 9-inch pan. This 10.5-inch pan will also fit in this oven. It kind of hangs out the front a little bit, but I'd say that's about the max size that you're going to get to balance in this reflector oven. But that is a good size bake pan. This 9-inch pan will do like your roll of like Pillsbury cinnamon rolls or something like that. Plenty of room on one of these pans. This will just give you more, this other larger pan, just more capacity, more options. So overall, these are lightweight, super durable. You can season them with cooking oil. They transfer heat fast, so you can use them for a bake pan, for a fry pan, for searing. I found them to be super handy, and I sell a ton of these things. Hope this gives you guys a good look at these things. Thanks for watching. Well, that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Your support keeps me from having to get a real job, so do me a favor, like, subscribe, follow. I have links down below for my website, bensbackwoods.com, Facebook and Instagram. Also, if you guys have suggestions for future gear reviews or skills that you want to see, comment down below. Thanks.